I'm Guido Saracco, I'm the rector of the Politecnico di Torino, the first technical university created in Italy.
Before the MIT, I've learned.
Yes, a couple of years before. It was 1859.
Which sounds good, but I mean, we're all talking about AI and the need to upskill, reskill the industry, everybody. What is your approach? Because clearly you're basically leading one of the biggest tech school in Italy, if I can say.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're thinking a lot about your reaction or, proactive reaction to what's going on.
Yeah, what's going on is due to the way computers are elaborating data that has been increasing so much, and it's putting big data, machine learning, and this kind of stuff in the position to influence reality so much. For instance, in my case, I'm a chemical engineer. Now, chemical plants are governed by big data and sensors everywhere and algorithms, and through these means you can improve the productivity of an existing plant. But the point is that with generative AI, this is going to be even more impacting, and it's going to change a lot of jobs even in a very fast way. It's going to substitute humans also at the white-collar level. So the first worry for me is to update my professors, as we have to teach students to become professionals. If we have not professors well trained on ChatGPT and generative AI and the impact on their specialization, so then it's not going to work. And we have created a school for professors that is going to improve their pedagogy, but also update them. And because ChatGPT is a sort of base ground on which we have to build the education of students. They're already using it. But my professors, I wouldn't say so. So you cannot really just transfer information and get it back at the exams. You need to transfer critical thinking, soft skills, and evaluate this in students. Because after all, humans have to take decisions. And to do that, they need to understand the problem. So another point is that we increase very much the presence of human and social scientists in our portfolio of professors, because the new engineer should understand the social problems he is going to solve with technologies, and should also understand how technologies are going to change society, should be ethical and responsible. This is fun. Unfortunately, I couldn't get this kind of education when it was my time, but I have recovered very fast as a rector, and I'm trying to spur this new engineer throughout my university.
I think it's a great answer. And what about, as a Torinese, I would hope, and I think there is a sense, or there is a purpose in it. Torino should be a capital in AI. What are we doing about that as Torinese?
We got the news from the government that we are going to host a new center for artificial intelligence. It's going to have at this regime about 300 employees trying to develop artificial intelligence for the industrial production lines, for the mobility, and for the aerospace, which are the three main industrial fields of this part of Italy. It's going to be a national research center. I think it's going to be the burst for this area of Italy, but it's going to be coordinated to all Italy, so it's going to be a crucial research center. I think we should also work on certification and on pre-normative studies, because there is no power without control. One of our Italian companies used to say so, and this holds also for artificial intelligence products. And so, once more, those that are developing AI should know about the effect on society and should be creative but also humanistic engineers.
Yeah, I also hope Torino embrace AI with other parts, the cultural part. I was in my first year after 35 years being an employee. I've done AI photography, which was at Paratissima. I wrote book with AI, etc. So maybe Torino culturally can embrace AI more.
Indeed. After all, we are the seat of so many museums, but also the seat of where the Radio Televisione Italiana was born, and we have also cinema engineering.
I mean, November is crazy in Torino. I'm trying to convince all my friends from outside Italy that they should spend November in Torino.
Yes,
Art Week, club to club, tennis,
yes,
it's amazing.
It's fine, yes.
Then a personal note. Well, in 1982, when I had to decide to go to the university, I didn't want to go to Polytechnico because I thought it was too constricting. It was too design. I wanted to do something where I had more freedom, and I ended up doing informatica, which I mean, it's not that far.
Yeah.
Your message is it's a different Polytechnico now.
Completely. It's a place where you understand deeply the problems, where you are creative and you are ethical and social responsible, and this is fun. Because after all, technologies have in their ends solutions to problems. I don't believe about getting back to nature or to all good times. We need to grow, we need to improve, and technologies are essential. But technology should be driven by humans towards social good. And this need to know what is social good, what are the right things for society, and the new engineers coming out from Polytechnico know perfectly about this.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.